Hey guys, in today's video I want to teach you how to create the donation button in Please Donate for free after Roblox update 2023. So you can see the stand here, so we will claim this stand and we will show the donation button here on this stand, guys. First of all, you need to go to your browser and go to the roblox.com, and then you need to log into your account. After you will log into your account, then click create button in the top menu and this appears on your screen. Now you need to click manage my experiences, and when you take your mouse here, these three dots will appear. You need to click these three dots and click create badge. Just name it whatever you want. For example, donation button test, and write the description. Then you need to upload the image. For example, this one, and click create page. After you will do this, then you need to go to passes right here and click create a pass. Here you should do the same thing, upload the image, name it, for example, donation button, and write the description. Thank you for donation, and click create pass. After you will do it, then you need to open this, go to sales, check this, and enter the donation price, for example 10 Robux, and here are some fees. When someone donates 10 Robux, you will receive 70%, guys, so that means you will receive 7 Robux, guys. You can set this whatever you want. After you will do it, then you need to save the changes. So our donation button is ready. Now we need to go back to the stand and let's claim this stand, and let's refresh this. So as you can see, guys, donation button appeared right here. So after this, everyone can donate you in Please Donate. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, click the like button. Likes are super important for us. See you in the next video.